In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile banner at the top of your Behance profile. Customizing your profile with a unique banner not only adds personal flair, but also helps you make a memorable impression. So, let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you have the best experience possible. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to your Behance profile page. This is your digital space where you showcase your projects and creative endeavors, so having a compelling banner adds that extra touch of professionalism and creativity. Now, if you haven't already set a banner, you'll see an option labeled Add a Banner Image, prominently displayed at the top of your page. Clicking this will allow you to upload a new banner. However, if you already have a banner set up and you're looking to replace it, hover over the current banner. When you do this, you'll notice options to replace or remove it appear. Select the appropriate option and then proceed to upload your new image. Once you've made your selection or uploaded a new banner image, you'll be able to adjust it to your liking. To do this, use the zoom feature if you need to focus on a particular part of the image. You can also drag it to reposition and get that perfect placement. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, simply click Done to set your new banner in place. Now, let me share a couple of tips to make your experience smooth and ensure that your banner looks its best. The optimal size for a Behance banner is 3200 by 410 pixels, so try to create or crop your image to these dimensions for the best results. Also, remember to save your image in either PNG or JPG format, as these are the supported file types for uploading to Behance. Here's a little troubleshooting advice if you're having difficulty uploading your image. Sometimes, issues can arise from the simplest things, like how your computer or device is set up. If you encounter any upload problems, check your device's time zone settings. Ensure that it's set to update automatically. This might sound odd, but it can actually impact the upload process, and adjusting this setting can often resolve lingering issues. And there you have it, a complete guide to updating your profile banner on Behance. By adding a visually striking and personalized image, you're enhancing the way your profile is perceived by visitors and potential clients. I'm confident that with these clear steps and helpful tips, you'll have a stunning banner up in no time that truly represents your creative identity. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.